guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. In case this is your first time watching me, hi, nice to meet you. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about GSQ by Glamsquad. I'm going to be doing a kind of review slash first impression on their products. I have personally never tried them out before, so I'm really excited about this. You guys know that before I went blonde, I used to not really care about my hair. I had a pretty simple routine, but now this is like high maintenance, so I gotta keep up with the stuff. I gotta be really careful about what I put in my hair, and I have a good feeling about these products. Cool thing about this video is it is in partnership with CVS. You guys know I've been working with them in their amazing campaign that I have launched since last year, which is about the beauty mark. Being transparent, being more about appreciating the natural beauty. If you didn't watch my previous video with CVS before, please go check it out. I'll leave a link down below for you to go watch it. So what this beauty mark basically means is that CVS is making a commitment since last year about showing a more real, healthy standard when it comes to beauty. So if you go to any CVS store and you find the beauty mark, that means that that image has not been materially altered. And what I love about this is that CVS is definitely helping us to not put so much pressure on ourselves to live up to such unrealistic standards. And it's just overwhelming sometimes. I know this because I've been there. So that's why I'm so happy to be able to be a part of this initiative. So with that being said, I would actually like to move on to the good stuff, the products that I'm about to try out. The first thing I gotta say about these products is that they all are, let me read this because I don't want to miss anything, paraben and sulfate free, safe for color, keratin treated hair, and contain UV protectants, which is super cool, honestly. Alright, so GSQ by Glamsquad is actually a brand that I have never tried before. That's why I'm really excited about this video, because I'm gonna be trying it out for the very first time in front of you, with you, so we both can have a first impression, you know what I mean? But I have heard really good stuff about them, about their products. And before we get into the juicy stuff, the good stuff of this video, you can find them on CVS. They're exclusively available over there, so I'm gonna leave all links down below for each product so you guys can go check them out. If I love them, you will love them, and yeah, just hope that I can help you find your new How Have I Lived Without You product. First, I'm gonna talk about this mega haul clips. I definitely feel like this is something that we all need when you're doing your hair, when you're straightening, curling it. These are just lifesaver. And this one right here are just super cute. The colors are super cute. Before we start, you just make sure your hair is completely brushed. Already did that. What I basically like to do is just grab my hair and put it in like a kind of bun. Use one of these mega haul clips. I don't care if it looks cute or ugly. I don't care. I just care that it holds. It does. So I'm good. I usually don't even really care if this is completely part in the middle, like if it is straight or like neat and perfect. I don't mind. I like my beachy way, it's very messy. Alright, so the first product I'm going to be trying out is actually this titanium curling iron 1-inch. Super cool, love it. It's totally my style, very neutral, like beige, and then like the gold detail here. Love it. This is screams Anna all over. Make sure that you turn it on. Love the fact that it has that button right here. Turn this right here. First turn is just to kind of turn it on and heat it up the lowest temperature, and then as you turn it more and more, you can go higher up in temperature. I personally like it to have it like in between 350, 370, 375. I don't like to go that much high up just because I don't really want to fry my hair. But that's just because I want to keep it safe. And let's see how it does. Remember, this is my first time trying this out. Let's see. I'm just going to hold it there for a few seconds. And then we just let go. I always like to leave like 1 or 2 inches at the end. And yeah, oh, that's a very loose wave. I love that. I'll grab another piece of fur and I'll keep going. So another thing I like to do when it comes to curling my hair is that I don't go just like one direction, if you know what I mean. I like to go to curl my hair basically towards my face and then away from my face. I just kind of alternate in between. I don't know, I feel like it makes the hair a little bit more like messy, and it looks really natural. That is how it's looking right now. Look at that, very soft loose waves. This is perfect. I love this. I love this. Like, look at that, look at that. This is giving me all the beachy wave vibe. So now I'm gonna let go of this part right here. Alright, so now that I am gonna work on the front piece, this I will say is that I always do it away from the face. Always. That's just how I like it. This is what I was talking about. If I had done it the other way around, it would be coming like towards my face, and I just don't like that. Alright, so I'm gonna say that this curling iron is honestly 10 out of 10. I love it. It works amazing. And now, just to don't bore you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and skip all this other part. Just do it off camera so you guys don't have to see that. But then I'll be back to show you more of the GSQ by Glamsquad products, and then just show you in general how I like to style my hair. You guys are always asking for videos about how I style my hair when I do the beachy waves. So here it is. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Okay guys, I'm back and I did the other half of my hair. Look at that, looking cute. I love it. It looks so good. This is usually my routine. I curl my hair and then I just move on to a dry shampoo and volumizing spray. So let me show you what I got here. I'm gonna start by applying the dry shampoo with rice protein. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I wash my hair only twice a week. No, what am I talking about? Once a week. So I usually wash my hair every 5-6 days. Now that I'm going to the gym, I sometimes do wash it twice a week, but that's it, no more, just because I do not want it to go yellow, orange, whatever, because you know my hair is naturally black. So once I start losing that ashy color, obviously my hair is gonna turn yellow, orange. You know, that's just how it is. And second of all, when I decided to go blonde, I knew that if I started washing my hair way too often, it was gonna get really dry, just because of all the chemicals and everything. And just the whole process that my hair went through. My hair is just way too weak to be washing it every single day. So that's when dry shampoo comes in to save the day. This one right here is supposed to refresh your hair, remove excess oil, which is the main thing, and provides a little lift to the roots, which basically is going to give you a little bit of volume, you know, so your hair doesn't look that flat. So I'm gonna shake it first, and I'm gonna spray it just at the roots there. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh my god, I love how it smells. So I'm not gonna apply it all over, just mainly where I know that my hair usually gets really oily, which is like the sides right here, a little bit on the top, and here, back here. Then, you know, not much, just a little bit. Like, oh, it smells so good. I just try to make sure I get those areas where I sweat the most when I go to the gym. I leave it there just for a few seconds, just so the actual powder of the dry shampoo absorbs all that oil, and then you just go ahead and rub it all in, so you don't have any like white spot, which is usually what happens with dry shampoos when you don't rub it all in. So let's just let it absorb all that oil, and then we go ahead but honestly, this one doesn't really leave those white spots that most dry shampoos do, so that's good. Just gonna rub it in, kind of like massage the head, and don't be afraid to like kind of mess up your hair, you know, this is just how it goes. And especially if you like the beachy wave, like very messy loose wave, it doesn't matter if you make it real messy. Now we're gonna move on to the volumizing texture spray, which is one of my favorite products when it comes to hair, just because my hair naturally is very flat here on the top. I just don't like it. It looks like meh. So this one right here is to build volume and texture. Yes, I'm gonna shake it real well. And then what I like to do when it comes to volumizing sprays is that I go and do this. Shake, apply it all over. It smells so good. These products smell amazing, honestly. And then go ahead and apply here, here, especially back here. And then I just go ahead and start, like, you know, just giving some massage to the scalp where I place the product. I used to start kind of like roughing them with my fingers. I just do this. I just really like my hair very messy and very like all right, so we're almost done. Please stay with me. The last step is always some sort of oil. So today I'm going to be using this treatment oil with Moroccan oil by GSQ by Glamsquad, and it's basically to add moisture and detangle your hair. Personally, I like applying oil to the ends of my hair just because, you know, of all the stuff that I usually do to it. Not only the fact that it has gone through a whole process to go this light, but also the fact that I apply a lot of heat when I do waves. It gets real dry within time. So, and oil is always good, always good. So far, all these products have been smelling amazing. So, oh God, I love this. So I'm gonna just apply it from mid to the end. Oh God, yes, look at that. It makes such a huge difference. Like when you apply oil to your hair, it makes such a huge difference. Like you can look at that. You can see it looks immediately a lot more like shiny, like hydrated compared to this side right here, you know. It's just, I love this. Go through it with my fingers again just to make it a little messy, you know. Wait, GSQ tip. It says a simple act of love goes a long way. When thirsty strands need extra attention, apply our treatment oil. Wrap your head in a shower cap and wait 30 minutes for a maximum hydration. Wow, that's amazing. So you not only can apply it like basically every single day for the ends, but you can also use it kind of like a hair mask. Oh, that's cool. I like that. I'm gonna try it and see how it goes. Now we're gonna go to the other side, and a little goes a long way. So no need to apply it a lot, just a little bit. You see? I love finding new products that I love. It's just like winning the lottery. Am I the only one that feels this way about hair products, just like beauty products in general? When you like something and you're just like, yes, this is amazing. Oh, I'm obsessed. I am absolutely obsessed with everything I've tried out so far. I cannot believe I've lived this long without trying these products. They are absolutely amazing. I love the smell, how they feel on my hair. It's just, oh God. Last but not least, we got the conditioner hair mask, and this is just a mask that you can apply after you shampoo your hair. You can leave it on for 5 to 7 minutes, then rinse it and do it once a week. I love hair masks, so definitely gonna be trying this right here. Super excited. I think I'm gonna love it as well. I mean, all the products I've tried so far have been amazing, so I'm expecting the very best out of this one too. And with all of that being said, I think we're ready to wrap this video. I'm super excited that I got to try out all of these products, and then now I can tell you guys I 100% recommend them. Remember that they are exclusively sold at CVS, so I'll be leaving all links below. Don't forget about that, so you can go check them out and get you some because they are that good. And before I say goodbye, I really do want to say thank you so much to CVS for partnering up with me for this video. I really do stand for everything that you guys got going on with the beauty mark. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Hope that you like this review. And yeah, bye bye.